front of each hole they are going. They are saying to each other, come out. See?
We were walking, we saw kairi, mango, raw mango with mirchi and namak.
In India, I try everything with mirchi and namak.
It's so hot. Now how we are managing, see? Here is a big statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar.
If you see all animals, if somewhere food is there with enough food for everyone, they always call each other.
They don't take all.
But humans are the only species that they don't want everything for everyone. They want for themselves only. They don't want equality for others.
Hello guys, good morning.
So today we did check out from this not hotel,
homestay.
homestay. Yeah. I want to go to maybe tonight. We'll go for
Shopping
also. Because
then
yesterday my sister-in-law called and she was saying, you both are crazy. You don't know Hyderabad sarees are so famous.
she was saying they are so famous, go and buy for with us and we will go, we will explore. Let's see, we'll buy something.
Yeah, chalo. So guys, we just reached. Now it's getting hot. We came to Vasate Hotel. Vasati. Let's see how is the hotel. I think it's some like small hotel. It's not like too big, but it's nice. I mean, I think it's new. So let's go. 2 nights we are here. We'll show you our room. You check in. We'll show you our room.
It's okay. Now don't record. Go inside.
Okay. My hair also because of wind became like here and there. It's going in air. Here is good weather. So, Bhagwan. So guys, we are going to our room. I think it's here, no?
I don't know. Mainly they are saying it's not working now. So
Oh.
we have to go with service lift.
Okay.
Okay.
So we came here lift. Which floor? Second?
3rd floor, 307.
307. So guys, we finally came to our room. And let me show you the room. So this is the room.
Oh, thank you.
Like this I should show. Oh, it's small and nice. Huh?
It's good.
It's good.
Yes, we are not going to stay in room. We have to go
No,
outside.
but I mean it's clean and good.
Clean, small.
Clean and choti room. So this is the bed. Yeah, now you can see properly. This is my husband.
Really? I'm your husband. And this is my khar.
Wife.
Wife. Khar means what they say in English?
Work.
War means always annoying.
Cupboard is there.
Alright.
Let me see what things are there. I'm so much curious person to know
To
everything.
check everything.
Oh, iron also they have.
Then it's good.
Actually, we took iron with each other, with
Which-
ourselves. No, that's fine. But here also is there.
Alright.
Chai maker.
See, now this
Oh,
chai.
they put spoon and plate also.
Hospital chai, where it will go now?
What?
All this chai.
We'll drink now. Because my throat also is different.
Okay.
And
What
they have
happened to your
refrigerator.
back here? Red, show there.
Really?
Alright. It's like I hit you. People will think I hit you there. See?
How?
No.
I think because of garmi.
Because of garmi. Maybe.
Really, I'm sorry.
Alright.
Oh my god, it got burned.
Alright.
You saw?
Alright, I saw. It became red. It's not itching there.
It's itching.
Uh,
I think I got burned.
show me.
I told you already my face everywhere.
Show me.
I was so sunburned.
I think something bited.
Now how this was big?
Like small pimple type came there.
And let me see. Here refrigerator also is there. Water is there. Hello guys, good afternoon. So now it's around 1 p.m. We thought we will eat something and then we'll go where?
Hussain Sagar and some park is there and one mall also is there. So 2-3 places are there, we'll go there.
Okay. So we are so much hungry. In the morning we ate little bit breakfast and then we came here. So we'll eat something. After that we'll go and we'll show you guys which places we'll visit and how are the places.
Yes.
Chalo.
Hello guys.
So guys, we had our lunch. It was really nice. I mean, we have been so many places till now. This hotel is not even so much expensive also. I think it's 2,500
2,500 something.
per night. But first of all, it's so clean.
Clean bathrooms
So
and
much
rooms.
clean.
Means
After eating food, I went downstairs. I mean, in the restaurant, I went to public toilet they have. I was shocked this much cleanliness. Really, I'm saying.
Even
Because I'm so much sensitive of with both of us. We are
Uh,
sensitive of cleanliness, and it was really nice. Anything else you want to
food also, because now only they made for us. Means it's not like it was not like buffet.
They took,
When
I
we
think,
ordered
half an
that time
hour.
only they made, like nearly half hour we were waiting, but the food was so good. No oil, means whatever we said, like that they made, and it was
Yeah.
so tasty.
And the buttermilk they gave, I don't know, it was so different from everywhere.
It was like
They were
coconut was inside.
Yeah, they put coconut and mirchi also. Chilies also.
Chili
inside.
and coriander and this thing.
It was really nice. And I don't think milk was there. I think it was vegan.
Vegan food.
I mean, without milk product. Maybe they used
Coconut milk.
coconut milk. Yeah.
But it was so good.
So nice. It was really nice. That's why it was getting separate.
Separate. Then we mix.
We were mixing. Yeah, it was really nice. So now we got Atho. Where we are going?
We are going to Hussain Sagar, and Hussain Sagar, around Hussain Sagar there are so many places. One mall is there, one park is there, one Buddha statue is there.
Buddha statue?
Is there. So it's like Marine Drive of Mumbai. So we'll go, we'll explore what things are there.
You know that song? So guys, some accident happened here. Thank God nothing happened to that guy. But I was so scared. Means with bike they had accident, and it makes me so emotional. People are always
Coming for
helping each
help.
other. Suddenly, if someone's calling, 4 or 5 people coming, they are taking that person. So everywhere nice people are there.
All people are there everywhere, but
It
India,
makes me so emotional.
that's why I say India is so diverse. We'll find all kind of people. It's so hot. There you
So
see
much sun is
statue.
there. Today I should have taken
The umbrella. It is a
So
mistake.
hot.
We
Now-
came to Chibut, Nema Park,
Lamborghini.
Lumbini Park.
Lamborghini.
I will show statue of Baba Saheb Ambedkar also. Wait.
Nearby here, so many places are there. I don't know what is there. It's like,
We'll go and see. So hot. Let's go.
I mean,
There is one government office, guys, and there is Baba Saheb Ambedkar statue also there. If
Oh,
you
so
see,
hot.
see here, it's so hot. Let's go. I think from here I have to buy ticket. फकत बिटूल ना घुसा माची.
मला मराठी येते. सगळं मराठी येते.
Looks good, huh?
So big.
So big. Bedroom toilet is here. This side.
My mind is not working. After that, we like.
Arre.
But Iranian horses are like this.
Arre, they are big.
Means they are big.
And also they are free.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they took money.
Arre देखे.
Iran is
Arre.
all parts.
Arre. Toilet also you have to pay. Freeness. Arre. Pay and use toilet. It's mentioning there na. How was toilet? It was clean.
The toilet was clean, yeah.
It was paid, but it was clean.
Yeah.
So good.
You know what I remember? When we came with my parents for first time to India for karate championship, I remember ki, for using toilet we had to pay 5 rupees.
Okay, now it became double.
Yeah. So it's like that time in Mumbai, I remember wherever we were going. It was clean, but we had to pay 5 rupees.
Now it became 10 rupees.
Now it became 10. It's so hot. Wow.
I
we
think
came a little bit early.
earlier.
But it's okay. We'll go.
It's okay.
below,
Now
so,
we will sit in park. After that, we will go near that Hussain Sagar.
We'll record some
Record
shots.
also, yes.
And I think park also is big.
Alright.
Here is better.
Okay. I think there we can sit
Trees are
also. Alright. Very.
Iran, if you come, really we have good parks. But see, before coming to India, because other than India, I haven't seen any other country. But before India, I remember few times I saw some foreigners in Iran. They used to say you have really good parks. So I used to think like, what they are saying good parks? Park is park now everywhere. Then once I came to India, I got to know difference. Here is paid, there is free. Parks, I'm saying. Other things are different. And other than that, you saw some ground for children. We have like what is that?
Different
Chula?
activities.
Different activities. Different games are there for children, and different exercise machines also are there. For
That
adults.
also. Ground also is for football
Yeah,
and this
ground
thing,
also is
basketball.
there for football,
And their
basketball, volleyball.
park also are like big. It's like small village. Means I got shocked. This park is not that big if you see. For this, why they are taking
Only
entry?
this much?
Huh?
Only this
I
one?
think it's this much only. Means for this you are taking money. Means
So,
it's like
means
joke.
what?
It's so hot. Now how you are managing? See. So how it is?
It's good. Only
It's good,
hot.
but it's so hot.
Yeah,
Arre.
so much hot. Means below 3 was good when we were sitting.
But still, I will say okay. Means I will not say that much interesting place to come and see. But yes, once you can come and see. Backside one statue of Baba Saheb Ambedkar was there.
Boat
Here
also
statue
is
of
there.
Buddha also is there.
Where?
There na I was telling. No. So I think by boat we have to go.
Water is so dirty.
So
yaar.
dirty. Wait, I will show. Just see this water. All dirty garbage they throw in water. Smell is coming.
So sad. Means
Arre.
we humans are doing so bad to nature.
Arre. Means if you see the threat to the world and nature is human.
Yeah.
And we are saying
And we are saying human is like toppest,
brilliant
Creator.
mind and what they say.
toppest creator of the world.
Faltu creature
But
of the
that
world.
one, Sky here is more clean than here.
Arre. No, they depend upon place. Now here is sea, na. So
Here is what?
by boat you have to go, na there
Oh,
to see.
let's go. It's so hot that one.
So guys, we are roaming here.
We are not what they say superstitious people.
We
at all.
don't believe in astrology or
We don't
anything.
believe. I have never done anything like hand reading or someone say my future or I don't.
It's
believe.
astrological thing.
And I have never done also.
Uh-huh.
So now in this park we saw someone is sitting here and he's doing like reading hand and this thing. So I thought King just for fun we'll do and we'll
We'll
record
see what
for
he'll say.
YouTube. First thing is means we'll put this video as separate video
Okay.
for YouTube. Only thing is tell me you have done these things before or not?
No.
Is-
Only ChatGPT that day we given our picture of our hand.
Let's see, maybe ChatGPT is better than this. He will say better or that.
Okay.
Let's ask from that guy. He means what things he will say, what
Okay.
future, past, or what he will say.
Okay.
Or it's like nonsense things.
हाँ.
7 minutes. they show.
अरे मतलब क्या देखते हैं हाथ में आप?
हाथ देखिए
फ्यूचर दिखाते हैं मतलब क्या? पास्ट क्या दिखाते हैं?
तुम्हारे हाथ के रेखा जो है देखिए वो
Based upon your lines, he saying he will take.
He didn't do, guys.
So
You
he
are
was so rude. I am
We were
saying ki
asking
what
for
you will
video,
say,
means what you will say in
future or past.
It's nonsense. They don't know anything.
I also know.
Whoever sit, they just say sort of what nonsense things. And means everyone get happy. Masala, to everyone they say some things which are how to say you can say about everyone.
Arre.
They say ki, you have so many dreams. If you be patient, one by one it will come true. Like this they say. Or 2 years wait, your life will change.
Means he was talking so rude, so I told Bita it's okay. We will not check anything.
Hello.
So guys, we are going outside now. It was good. Means I will not say ki so perfect.
We were just sitting and
We were just sitting and talking, watching people.
Yeah.
It was good.
And now we thought we will just explore here.
Here,
We'll walk here and there, maybe some jackfruit.
bit
or
I want to
some-
eat jackfruit.
I
So
hope I will get. And at night, we want to meet one Persian girl who, I mean, she's from my country. I don't know them, but it's first time. We want to meet them, and her husband is Indian.
Let's see, we'll meet
Let's
them.
see.
But this place is good, but it's so dirty. Means the water also is smelling. Buddha statue is there in between. Means you have to go by boat, but we thought we'll not go. We'll just roam outside here.
People should take care of her so much more. Means each and every person should be responsible.
Where is Khariji? Huh? Where? Khariji means guys foreigner. Where is a foreigner? You are kya? Bhumia.
So bad smell. Give me water.
Dekh rahe na. Here is what? Can you read Bitul? Telangana
Where?
English. Memorial. Martyrs Memorial.
Marches?
नहीं भैया. Oh, Memorial. But it's closed. Oh, foreigners are there too. कहाँ पर नहीं भैया? ये घूम रहे हैं ऐसे हम इधर. Not living.
They also get scared of
अरे.
the... Let's see here, maybe find us, we'll find.
But I want to eat jackfruit. Let's see. I think here so many people are there. This side.
Beautiful.
I know, but here watermelon also is there if you want to eat.
You want?
Whatever you say. Watermelon is there. How it is, Bitul?
So good.
So we were walking, we saw kairi, mango, raw mango with mirchi and namak.
In India, I try everything with mirchi and namak. And I never even thought one day I did mango with mirchi and namak. But one day I will eat pineapple, ananas with mirchi and namak. But they taste so good. Because I never even imagined it will be like this.
Mango also, see how big they are. I told you in childhood we had mangoes with gadge amba, like gadge mango. It's so big, bigger than this one.
Bigger than this? I never saw this much big mango.
I saw bigger than this. See, here we are walking.
Here also is so beautiful.
It's government office. It's mentioning na Telangana, Baba Saheb Ambedkar Telangana State Secretariat. It's like
And,
government office.
Side road here is so much better than what they say, Pune.
No, but some areas Pune also
And,
have like this.
Yeah, but one other thing also is there. Pune is so much
Congested.
congested
So many people are there. Hyderabad is open, but here also see every city have good and bad points. Didi, see guys, same thing I was saying. See garbage. How much garbage is there? So much smelling. So much smelling, so much garbage. What he is doing with water? He think with water garbage will go.
How people enjoy watching this dirty water? Means I get so sad. Indian people are unfortunately not responsible for hygiene. It's not
They are
only about-
responsible for.
No, they are not taking responsibility of country. Everyone is throwing there like one bottle. They don't even think. They throw there. Why to throw there?
You see, guys, there is Buddha statue. Here. It's good, but it's so much smelling also. No? We thought we'll walk instead of going there. Let's see on the way if you find jackfruit.
भाई ये नारियल की क्या डिफरेंस है ये दोनों?
पानी तो डिफरेंस नहीं रहता, इसमें ज्यादा पानी रहता, इसमें कम पानी रहता।
ओके।
पानी एक ही रहता, ज्यादा पानी रहता। केरला
ये चाहिए।
केरला बोंडा।
केरला?
हाँ, केरला बोंडा। इसका
ओके।
नाम है केरला बोंडा।
ओके, ये चाहिए। केरला पोंदा चाहिए।
हाँ, ठीक है।
आपका नाम क्या है?
सरोजिनी।
सरोजिनी।
हाँ।
ओके। आप कहाँ से हो?
हैदराबाद के ही थे।
ओके, थैंक यू।
West Coast, Kerala Ponda.
Kerala Ponda.
Kerala Bonda.
Kerala Ponda.
Bonda.
Ponda.
Kerala Ponda.
Kerala Ponda Nariyal for the first time.
Okay. It's good.
It's so sweet. Means it's more sweet I feel than green one. Taste also is little bit different. Telugu बहुत अच्छा था कैसे बोलेंगे थाई?
చాలా బాగా ఉంది. చాలా బాగా ఉంది.
చాలా బాగా ఉంది.
See guys, I don't know what to say. Just see. Just see. Here is Buddha. Back side of Buddha garbage they put.
Mouse.
So many mouse are there.
My God.
You never saw this much big mouse.
I never saw this much mouse outside walking like this. Oh my God. There, everywhere.
It's like it's their house.
You see?
Arey, I saw. So many are there.
Boy.
हाँ खाएंगे हो?
So take video from him.
She's putting things for eating, and they are eating. See, they are taking running.
Two they are taking. You see?
They are taking their house. They are putting again. They are coming, na?
I think. See? It's like they say to each other, come. Naga.
Arey.
In front of each hole they are going. They
Arey.
are saying to each other, come out. See? You see or not?
Arey. Like some language
See
is
how
there.
we became? One more thing also I want to say.
हाँ
If you see all animals,
हाँ
if somewhere food is there with enough food for
Uh-huh.
everyone, they always call each other.
हाँ. They don't take all.
But humans are the only species that they don't want everything for everyone. They want for themselves only. They don't want equality for others. If they are
True.
eating, really I'm saying,
Really?
if they have, let's suppose, one big bag of rice and someone else doesn't even have rice, and for them, if half of it is enough, still they don't want to give to others. They want more to have by themselves.
Arey. Really see how beautiful. They are taking one by one. They are going. See? Very. Little bit beautiful. Still garbage is inside, but is beautiful means for watching and this thing.
Yeah.
Ask me, Ramshama.
From me here, take.
Kabutar. Guys, see we are walking. Here is a big statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. We took picture and this is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Means from that side we recorded. It's so beautiful. See? From outside only is beautiful. Inside you cannot see properly. So now we are going IMAX. When IMAX is here
We have still 1 hour time.
to meet our
With
friend.
Turkey, yeah. Let's go there.
Arey.
You just explore.
Arey.
And then
Arey. So guys, we came to High Tech City.
I am feeling so sleepy.
Really?
So actually, we said to that Iranian girl, at 8 we'll be here. Yes, we had planned. Now it's 8:30. Still they didn't come. I think people, if they stay here, because Iranian people are not like this. Half hour they will be late. Slowly they also become Indian. So now we just so we thought till they come we'll show you the
High Tech
high-tech
City.
of Hyderabad. That is famous, like everyone knows. I think this side of Hyderabad is less crowded than other side of Hyderabad.
Arey. I think
And
all of
it's
them are like
west side, I think.
I don't know which side, but it's like modern and like all companies are here. Even houses I think they have inside only.
I think
For
some people come
employees.
for just enjoying also here.
Arey. But mostly if you see, all of them are working here only.
Oh, and
If you
living
see,
here also.
house also I think they have there. See, house also they have.
And here I think all are
Like companies.
companies.
All companies.
But it's good if you. This is your company. This is your house. It's
Or,
so near.
so near.
You don't need
Same
to go.
like university. This is your hostel. This is your class.
You don't need to go so much far in traffic.
Or,
That also makes everyone so crazy.
also see here they are playing cricket also. IPL. If you want to watch, you can watch from here.